Hey guys, welcome to Almost Inevitable Design, and today I have a weirdie but a goodie. That makes sense, right? So what we're going to learn today is how to use Dropbox as a way to sync style sheets and use it during development, because Dropbox syncing is in some ways quicker than FTP, so it's actually pretty useful. So I'll show you how and also another thing that Dropbox is great with is because it's local on your computer, you can actually use a preprocessor with Dropbox and then have that enqueued into WordPress, which is great. Cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a theme. Oh, yes. Here. I came out with a course, an online video course, and this is how to make Divi more responsive. There's a 30% off coupon for you, and just watch the videos and just read all this. It's about making the Divi theme. You don't have to look at my face if you don't want to. It's about making the Divi theme more responsive and way cooler on mobile, and you'll be able to control everything that's in the build. So it's totally worth the money. I think I put in a lot of time, and you get over 8 hours and support and a child theme that you can use. So it's pretty cool. So give it a try. Yep, and you get the 30% coupon. So that's great. All right, so let's get back to this. So Stockholm. No, wait, not Stockholm. Sorry. It's not Stockholm. What was that? I like this guy Anders Soren, or yeah, this guy. Oh, Lovecraft. Yeah, I like this theme. This is pretty cool. So I'm just using a random theme. And let's we're not going to activate that yet. So yeah, this theme is actually pretty cool. I think it's pretty good. This guy, pretty sure it's this. Yeah, Anders Soren. Yeah, this guy's pretty cool. Anyways, so let's go to plugins, because we're going to use a child theme. You have to use a child theme to do this. Well, I think you should, because using child themes is always good. So child theme, and let's use this guy, child theme configurator. Install now. Activate now. And let's go to settings. Nope, sorry. Where is it? Tools. Yep, there we go. So we're going to create a new child theme with Lovecraft. And don't worry about this. This does nothing, so just take that out. Usually other themes, sometimes if they show that, it might be a problem, but I trust that guy, Anders Snoren, or that guy, and it's fine. I've tried this before, and it's fine. So anyways, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on separate style sheet, and we're gonna use this, and we're gonna use a WordPress style queue. We're not gonna use import. That's an old method that's not used anymore. We need to use WordPress style queue, okay? And we're gonna have a separate style sheet that gives us the code to add an extra style sheet, which is great. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Create a new child theme, and we will go and activate that child theme right now. Here. And Lovecraft child, activate. And we are done. So we're gonna go to the editor, and we're gonna fire up the front page. I understand, yep. And let's go right here. So this is what we see, right? Now, what we're gonna do is, here you can see in the functions, this part, the enqueue style, right? And what this means is we're going to get the style sheet directory, which is here, this child theme, and we're going to take out the trailing slash. Yeah, it's not slash. It's not slosh it. It's trailing slash it. Yeah. So anyways, we're going to take that out. We don't need that right now. Okay, take that out, and we're going to take this guy and make it into an absolute link. Okay, absolute link. I'll show you what I mean. Now this is my Dropbox. That's my Dropbox, and I have a file. Now this is an empty file. It looks like that. Okay, it's an empty file. But what it has is it has a Dropbox link. All right, so we're gonna copy that, and we're gonna add that into this address. So it's going to go between these quotes. Okay. Now, if you open this itself, this address itself, it doesn't open to a file. It opens to the Dropbox interface, as you can see here. Okay, it opens to a Dropbox interface, and so we can't use it. We can't use it directly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the parameter, which means after, well, including and after the question mark. So it ends with the file CSS like that. We're going to leave all that in there, and that's the Dropbox code for that file. And this needs to change, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, take out the www, put in download Dropbox user content. There we go, and update file. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, now this file, I just saved it, so there's nothing here. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to try and target that guy. So that is post title A. We're going to change that color like this color. If that's a red color, save that, and what we get is this right away. And you can see that it gets its style sheet from the Dropbox file. So that's how you can use Dropbox to enqueue style sheet, and it's great if you use preprocessors like SAS, and it'll just render everything. And in the end, what you can do is once you're done, you can copy this whole thing, put it into this file here, and then get the functions file back to where it was. So that'll be doing this. Just take that and pasting that here, and of course it should be because it was made with this, what is it, this plugin. That's what it names it, right? So that's how you do it. So you save that, and right now there's nothing in the CTC style file, so if we save that, it goes back to blank. There we go. So once you're done, you can copy everything over, paste it in here, and you're done with your build. So that's how you consolidate the style sheet, and that's how you use Dropbox to enqueue a style sheet. All right, I'll maybe see you in another video, and have fun with your WordPress. See you next time. Bye.